First switch on the machine, then turns on main. Set the AC drive. You see load, displacement, speed 0, 0. Final reset. Then connect the cable. Double click the B microdash icon on the laptop. This dialog box open. Enter username TTM and password TTM, all in small. This windows open. Now go to the COM setting, select the COM port. Enter save. Now click on offline. Your machine is in now online position. Now click on input. Select the sample. We are testing rod. Select rod. Select. Enter the parameters of the sample. Company name, sample, height, gauge length, dia, temperature, humidity. Enter save. Now fit the sample in the machine. Now reset load, reset peak, reset displacement. Press down and press start. You can see as your sample breaks, this dialog box open. In this, everything is calculated automatically. Now enter the final dia and final gauge length. Then select yield. Then press OK. And now calculate. You have reduction area percentage, elongation percentage, ultimate brake load, braking load, ultimate strength, yield strength, everything is calculated. Then enter save. As you can see here, milliseconds में कितना लोड डिस्प्लेसमेंट टाइम 0 milliseconds के रिजल्ट यहाँ. Then press report. Select single report or multiple report. Select test number. As we can note down that we have tested number 9. Select. Save report. When the report is being saved, press exit. You can minimize this. See, D drive, HUTM report. The folder is there. You can see 9. The test 9 we have done. As here you can see the report. Complete report. Company name, data, time, rod, sample, maximum length, load versus displacement. And here is the graph of load versus displacement. You can change the graph of load, time, load, displacement, etc. when you are generating the report. This is our tensile test. Now click on machine ideal and then exit.